Hello, my little friends. Today we are going to read Peppa Pig and the Little Train. Do let me know how many of you like Peppa Pig in the comment section. Peppa and George are visiting Granny and Grandpa Pig. Bang! Crash! Bang! Bang! What's that noise? Asks Peppa. Grandpa Pig is building a surprise for you, says Granny Pig. Toot toot! Chuck chuck! Come out, Grandpa! Shouts Peppa. We want to see the surprise. Grandpa Pig drives the surprise out of the shed. Whoa! It's a toy train, says Peppa. Vroom, says George. It's not a toy, says Grandpa. This is Gertrude. She's a miniature locomotive. Peppa and George like the little train. Can we go for a ride? Asks Peppa. All aboard, says Grandpa Pig. Grandpa Pig's little train does not need railroad tracks. It has tires. The train climbs up the hill. Peppa sings. Grandpa little train goes chug chug chug, chug chug chug, chug chug chug. Grandpa's little train goes chug chug chug, all through the town. Come on kids, sing with me. Grandpa's little train goes chug chug chug, chug chug chug, chug chug chug. Grandpa's little train goes chug chug chug, all through the town. Hello Peppa, calls Danny. Oi there, says Granddad Dog. I see you're playing toy trains. Gertrude is not a toy, says Grandpa Pig. She is a miniature locomotive. How's your little truck? My truck is a work vehicle, says Granddad Dog. Can I ride the train? Asks Danny. Well, if you'd rather play trains. Thanks, Granddad, says Danny. The little train stops. There is another vehicle in the road. It's Miss Rabbit. She is taking some students on a bus tour. I like your toy train, says Miss Rabbit. It's not a toy, says Peppa. It's a miniature locomotive. Peppa's school friends are on the bus. They like Grandpa's little train. They want a ride too. Who wants to ride on Grandpa Pig's little train? Asks Miss Rabbit. I do, shouts Susie Sheep. Me too. Me too, call the others. Zoe leads the way. The others follow. Everyone gets onto the toy train. Now everybody sings. Grandpa's little train goes chug chug chug, chug chug chug, chug chug chug. Grandpa's little train goes chug chug chug, all through the town. Do you want to sing with me? Come on, sing along. Grandpa's little train goes chug chug chug, chug chug chug, chug chug chug. Grandpa's little train goes chug chug chug, all through the town. Grandpa Pig stops at the playground. Peppa goes down the slide. Grandpa goes down the slide too. Back on the train, Grandpa sees Miss Rabbit's bus again. What happened? The bus is stuck in the mud. Granddad Dog tries to pull the bus from the mud. He pulls and pulls, but the bus won't budge. Don't worry, says Grandpa Pig. This little train can help. Grandpa hooks a rope to the bus. Chug, chug, pull, pull. The bus is free. Toot toot. There is a nice big muddy puddle left behind. Everybody puts on their boots. It's time to jump. All the little ones are having fun time jumping in the muddy puddle. Thank you, Grandpa Pig. Peppa Pig is very happy playing in the muddy puddle. I hope you are also very happy reading the Peppa Pig and the Little Train story. I'll see you all next week with another interesting story. Until then, happy reading!